May natutunan na naman na Tagalog word si Abby.
Tikman mo!
Ano yung what did you say earlier?
Tikman!
Tikman what?
Tikman mo!
Tikman mo what?
No, I don't know myself.
Ano? Tell. Dali na kasi. What did you say earlier?
No.
What did you say earlier na?
No.
What did you say earlier? What did you say earlier?
Tikman?
Yeah?
Oh.
What? Tell.
Mas bright pa akong
Okay, ask ka mo.
Tell na.
Ask ka mo.
Hindi.
drive.
Tell now. What did you say earlier?
Tikman. Tikman.
Tikman what?
Tikman.
Tell na. Tell.
Parang tik.
Ano?
Open the gate. Open the gate.
Tell. Tikman mo.
Parang nako.
Bastos. Where did you see that ba in Subic? So may nakita siyang signage, nagbebenta ng banana shake. Nakalagay doon, tikman mo banana ko. Pina-translate niya sa akin, walang iya.